Make a great choice today with the 2026 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, remote start, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.